Learn how to create an AI-powered Instagram theme that will attract new followers and boost your engagement. This guide will walk you through all the steps, from brainstorming to implementation. An AI theme for Instagram combines sophisticated technological elements with artistic design to create a unique and cohesive visual identity. Here's what makes it distinctive. Neural network patterns. Incorporate interconnected node patterns and neural network visualizations to represent artificial intelligence and machine learning concepts in a visually striking way. Tech-inspired color palettes. Use sophisticated color combinations like electric blues, deep purples, and metallic silvers to create a cutting-edge, future-forward aesthetic that speaks to innovation. Circuit board aesthetics. Blend technological elements like circuit patterns and binary code with clean, modern design principles to create a sophisticated tech-focused look. Digital minimalism. Strategic use of negative space and clean layouts creates a professional, forward-thinking feed that immediately communicates technological expertise. Enhance your Instagram aesthetic. An AI theme can elevate your Instagram feed by introducing a unique and modern aesthetic that sets you apart from the ordinary. Stand out from the crowd. A distinctive AI theme helps you stand out in a sea of content, making your profile memorable and attracting attention from potential followers. Reflect your brand identity. An AI theme can help you communicate your brand's values and personality, creating a cohesive and visually appealing online presence. Visually appealing. A cohesive AI theme can elevate your Instagram presence, making it more visually engaging and appealing to your audience. Consistent branding. A consistent aesthetic helps you establish a strong brand identity, making it easier for followers to recognize and connect with your content. Unique aesthetic. An AI theme sets you apart from the masses. Your feed will have a distinctive look that grabs attention and makes you memorable. Increased engagement. People are drawn to visually interesting content. An AI theme can help you stand out and boost engagement with your audience. Express your brand's personality. Your AI theme should visually represent your brand's unique character and values, creating an instantly recognizable digital presence. Maintain consistency. Apply your AI theme across all your Instagram content, from your profile picture to your stories and posts, ensuring a cohesive brand experience. Stay true to your target audience. Choose AI-inspired visuals and designs that resonate with your audience, creating meaningful connections through relevant visual storytelling. Gather inspiration. Explore AI-themed accounts and content. Identify your aesthetic. Choose a style that aligns with your brand. Choose your color palette. Select colors that evoke AI and your brand. Select appropriate fonts. Choose fonts that are modern and visually appealing. Explore existing AI themes. Look at other Instagram accounts that have successfully implemented an AI theme. Analyze their color palettes, fonts, graphics, and content. Browse design platforms. Websites like Dribbble, Behance, and Pinterest are excellent resources for discovering AI-inspired designs. Explore trends and get creative ideas. Follow AI artists and designers. Stay up to date with the latest trends by following AI artists and designers on Instagram. They often share their creative processes and inspirational projects. Minimalist AI style. Clean, sleek designs with plenty of white space create a sophisticated and modern aesthetic that emphasizes simplicity and functionality. Futuristic AI theme. Bold, dynamic visuals with high-tech elements convey innovation and cutting-edge technology, perfect for forward-thinking brands. Abstract AI approach. Experimental and artistic interpretations of AI concepts create unique visual narratives that capture attention and spark curiosity. Blue. A classic AI color, evoking feelings of trust, intelligence, and innovation. It's versatile, working well with various accents. Purple. Represents mystery, creativity, and futuristic vibes. Used sparingly, it can add a touch of intrigue and sophistication. Silver. Associated with technology, modernity, and elegance. Pairs well with blue or black, enhancing the AI aesthetic. Black. A powerful and sophisticated color, symbolizing intelligence and authority. It creates a sleek and minimalist look. Font pairing. Consider pairing fonts with different weights, styles, and personalities to add visual interest and enhance readability. Font legibility. Choose fonts that are easy to read, especially for longer text blocks or captions. Avoid using overly decorative or complex fonts that may hinder readability. AI-inspired patterns. Incorporate abstract patterns and geometric shapes to create visually compelling graphics that reflect the essence of AI technology. Minimalist AI design. Experiment with different design styles, from minimalist to complex, to find what best resonates with your brand identity. Tech-forward typography. Select bold, sans serif fonts and futuristic typefaces that add a distinct AI touch while maintaining clear readability. AI-generated content. Utilize AI tools for creating visuals like illustrations, videos, or even text for your captions. These tools can generate unique content that aligns with your AI theme. AI-inspired graphics. Incorporate abstract patterns, geometric shapes, or robotic designs into your graphics. These elements add a futuristic and AI-driven aesthetic to your content. AI-related hashtags. Use relevant hashtags like #AIart, #artificial intelligence, or #machine learning to connect with AI enthusiasts and increase your visibility. Consistency is key. Maintain a consistent style across all your posts, from color palettes to fonts and graphics. This creates a cohesive and recognizable brand identity. Use relevant hashtags. Include hashtags related to AI, technology, and your specific niche to reach a wider audience and connect with others interested in similar content. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and participate in relevant discussions to foster a sense of community and build relationships with your followers. Choose a relevant profile picture. Select an image that represents your brand and AI theme, such as a robot, circuit board, or abstract AI pattern. Write a compelling bio. Include keywords related to AI and your niche to attract the right audience. Use emojis for visual appeal. Create AI-themed highlights. Showcase your expertise in AI through curated highlights. Use AI-related icons or graphics for each highlight. Link your website or other relevant platforms. Make it easy for people to learn more about you and your services. Consistency is key when it comes to establishing a strong brand identity on Instagram. Your AI theme should be reflected in every post you share. Use the same color palette, fonts, and graphic elements across your content to create a visually appealing and recognizable feed. Experiment with different layouts and post formats, such as photos, videos, reels, and stories, to keep your feed engaging. AI theme hashtags. Use a mix of general AI hashtags like #artificial intelligence, #AIart, and specific hashtags related to your niche. Instagram theme hashtags. Include hashtags related to your overall Instagram aesthetic, like #minimalist, #futuristic, or #abstract. Brand-specific hashtags. Create unique hashtags that represent your brand or specific content series. To truly make your AI theme shine, you need to connect with your followers on a personal level. Respond to comments, ask questions, and run interactive polls to encourage participation. Consider hosting live Q&A sessions to answer questions about AI or share insights into your creative process. Track your progress. Use Instagram Insights to monitor key metrics like reach, engagement, and website clicks. Pay attention to what's working and what's not. Identify trends. Analyze your audience demographics, post timings, and content types to discover patterns and optimize your strategy. Don't be afraid to experiment and make adjustments to your AI theme as you go. Monitor your Instagram analytics to see what content performs best and use those insights to refine your strategy. Keep an eye on emerging AI trends and technologies to stay ahead of the curve. You can also get feedback from your followers to see what they like and don't like about your theme. By continually refining and iterating, you can create a truly unique and engaging AI theme for your Instagram profile. Get inspired by these creative AI themes and see how others are incorporating artificial intelligence into their Instagram aesthetic. These examples showcase different styles and approaches to creating a cohesive AI theme. This aesthetic embraces simplicity and clean lines. It uses a limited color palette, often featuring muted tones and a focus on geometric shapes and patterns. Think sleek interfaces, geometric shapes, and subtle gradients. Use AI-generated abstract artwork, geometric patterns, and clean typography. This aesthetic is all about creating a sense of calm and order. A futuristic AI vibe is a popular aesthetic, combining sleek, modern designs with cutting-edge technology. Think sleek lines, metallic accents, and bold geometric shapes. Imagine a cityscape bathed in neon light, with glowing holographic displays and robots moving seamlessly through the streets. This theme is perfect for brands focused on innovation, technology, and the future. Abstract AI patterns can add a unique and modern touch to your Instagram aesthetic. Think swirling gradients, geometric shapes, and pixelated designs, all infused with a sense of technology and artificial intelligence. Experiment with different color combinations and textures to create visually captivating graphics that reflect the abstract nature of AI. Mechanical aesthetics. Incorporate robotic elements like gears, circuits, and metallic textures to create a distinct AI-inspired aesthetic. Artificial intelligence. Use visuals that represent artificial intelligence, such as robots, AI algorithms, and data visualizations. Cyberpunk elements. Embrace cyberpunk themes with futuristic technology, neon lights, and intricate circuitry designs. Embrace the imperfections of digital technology with a glitch AI theme. Incorporate distorted graphics, pixelated textures, and broken color palettes to create a visually striking aesthetic. Experiment with software like After Effects or Photoshop to generate glitch effects, or use AI-powered tools to automatically create unique glitch patterns. Initial planning. Start by gathering inspiration from other AI-themed accounts and creating a comprehensive mood board. Consider your brand identity and target audience while choosing your color palette, fonts, and graphics that reflect your theme. Key elements. Define your AI aesthetic direction. Select a cohesive color palette. Choose appropriate typography. Plan content mix and schedule. Essential tools. Image editing software. AI art generators. Instagram planning tools. Color and typography managers. Avoiding mistakes. Start simple, maintain consistency in posting and style, engage with your audience regularly, track metrics, and customize AI-generated content to match your brand. AI image generation tools. Generate unique visuals using leading platforms like DALL-E 2, $15 or 115 credits, for realistic images, MidJourney $10 to $30 per month, for artistic styles, and Stable Diffusion or Free for maximum control and customization. Design and editing tools. Refine your content with Canva, free or Pro $12.99 per month for templates, Adobe Photoshop, $20.99 per month for professional editing, Figma, free or Pro $12 per month for design systems, and Pixlr, free or Pro $7.99 per month for quick edits. Planning and scheduling tools. Maintain consistency with Later, free or Pro $18 per month for visual planning, Planoly, $13 per month for color coordination, and Buffer, $5 to $10 per month for multi-platform scheduling. Analytics and optimization tools. Track performance using Instagram Insights, free for basic metrics. Iconosquare, $49 per month for detailed analysis, and Social Blade, free or Pro $39 per month for growth tracking. Determining update frequency. Your update schedule depends on key factors like content strategy, audience engagement, competitor activity, platform changes, and industry developments in AI technology. Consider your brand goals and strategy. Monitor audience engagement metrics. Stay aware of competitor activities. Recommended timeline. Follow a structured update schedule to maintain theme freshness. Daily adjustments for consistency. Weekly engagement reviews. Monthly feature refreshes. Quarterly major updates. Update indicators. Watch for these signs that suggest it's time for a refresh. Declining engagement rates. Outdated content feedback. Major AI technology changes. Brand misalignment. Maintaining brand recognition. Update your theme while preserving your identity. Keep core brand elements consistent. Make gradual, tested changes. Document successful elements. Maintain transparency. Your AI theme can create a powerful, unified brand presence across different social platforms. Here's how to adapt while maintaining consistency. Instagram. Focus on visual storytelling through high-quality images and a cohesive grid layout. Maintain your AI aesthetic in stories and highlights for maximum impact. Twitter. Adapt your AI theme for Twitter's fast-paced environment while maintaining brand recognition through consistent visual elements. LinkedIn. Present a more professional version of your AI theme while keeping your brand identity strong and recognizable. YouTube. Extend your AI theme to video content while maintaining visual consistency across all channel elements. Online learning platforms. Access comprehensive courses on AI-themed design through platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare. These platforms offer extensive training in digital art, AI-generated content, and Instagram theme creation. Design resources and tools. Discover AI-themed templates and graphics on Behance, Dribbble, and Adobe's Creative Cloud. Create unique visuals using AI art generators like MidJourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion. Social media communities. Connect through hashtags like #AIArt and #AIDesign, join Facebook groups focused on AI art, or participate in Reddit communities like our Artificial Intelligence and our AI Art. Professional networks and forums. Engage with LinkedIn groups dedicated to AI and design, or join specialized forums like Behance AI Art Community for discussions and networking opportunities. Industry blogs and newsletters. Stay updated through design and technology blogs like Smashing Magazine, Creative Block, and Design Milk, plus newsletters from AI art platforms. AI theme analytics. Track your AI theme performance using tools like Later, Iconosquare, and Sprout Social for insights into content performance and trending aesthetics.